Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day. Today we are going to present about the assignment 2 about the alternative fuel. This presentation is for the subject BMMA 3514. First of all, this is our group members. Our group members consist of 5 members, which is myself, MOHAMAD HAZIQ, HERLIE JOLISON, ARIF DANIAL, ZAINUL and MANOJ KUMAR.
Okay. Hi, sir. My name is Manoj, and I will do the introduction for the topic today. So basically, our group has chosen an alternative fuel, which is a biomethane. So basically, biomethane is a renewable fuel made possibly by biogas, and it is made from organic matter such as human waste, sewage, food waste, distillery waste, and agricultural waste. So biomethane contains 50 to 25% carbon dioxide, and how biomethane is made is through a process called anaerobic digestion, which is the system that convert trash into biogas. Next. So next, I'll explain more about the history, how biomethane is formed. So first of all, Jean Baptiste van Helmont, Flemish chemist, is realized in the 18th century that decomposing organic matter produced a flammable gas. And later, by years, John Dalton and Humphrey Davy identified the gas and named as methane. So the first major anaerobic digestion plant was built in Bombay in 1859, and years after it's widely used at year 1960s. And the purpose was to reduce energy poverty in rural areas and increase access to cleaner and cooking fuels in remote areas. So let's concentrate on the how biomethane is widely used in transportation industry.
So the second part is source of fuel biomethane. Next, so biomethane, also known as the renewable natural gas, is a fundamentalist source of methane generated either by upgrading biogas. So by upgrading biogas, which is a process that eliminates any CO2 and other pollutants present in the biogas, or by gasification solid biomass and then methanation it. So second is thermal gasification of solid biomass followed by methanation are two more methods for producing biomethane. So in a low oxygen environment, woody biomass is initially broken down at a high temperature, 700 to 800 degrees Celsius and high pressure. And then the biomass is transformed into a combination of gases, mostly carbon monoxide, hydrogen and methane under these circumstances. So this synthesis gas is cleansed to eliminate any acidic or corrosive component in order to generate a pure stream of biomethane. And then the methanation process then use a catalyst to promote a reaction between the hydrogen and carbon monoxide or CO2 to produce methane. So any remaining CO2 or water is removed at the end of this process. So that's all for the source of fuel for biomethane.
So next is my part for the distillation process. The distillation process starts from the anaerobic digestion powered by the biomass, which is the organic material from plants and animals. The anaerobic digestion, which bacteria will break down the organic matter. As the breakdown consume the waste and the organic, they give off biogas. However, before we convert into the biomethane gas, we need to clean up and by removing the CO2 gas. So we need to use PSA, which is the pressure swing absorption. That's all for my part.
Hello, my name is JOLISON. Today I will present about advantages biomethane and disadvantages of biomethane. First, the advantages of biomethane is reduce carbon emission, sustainability, ease of application, reduce pressure on the landfills, low production cost, energy independence. Next. So for the disadvantages for biomethane is odor, risk of explosion, loss of organic fertilizer and compost, limited generation of electricity. That's all from me.
Okay, my name is ABIDIN KAMARUDIN. So for the last part, for this presentation is opinion on the alternative fuel for the near future. Okay, as we can see from this slide, there's I conclude five advantages or the good of this alternative fuel. First is preserve air quality. Second, strong synergy with existing gas infrastructures. Next, zero emission mobility, green circular economy, and flexible use. As you can see, this is a very good result for biomethane, and for my opinion, this is a very good to be applied to the near future. That's all. Thank you.